This is an overview of the camouflage style background art available in Squarespace in the third row and second column of your background art options. So here in edit mode, I'm going to click the edit page settings icon and navigate to background. This is where we can select art from this top menu here, and scrolling down our very second to last option here, third row, second column, this is where we have what I've decided to call camouflage. So we have some presets down here. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these and you'll see a change. These are the presets that are available for this particular type of background art, but every single one of them is customizable. So click whichever one you want to start with and then select the settings icon to adjust the settings for that particular section. Now here we have shape color and background color. And if I select that circle, I can actually select something that is from my color palette or enter in a custom color. I can use the slider down here to pick any color I want or enter the hex color code below. Or again, navigating back to the palette, just select one that's already set in my color palette for my site styles menu. You can do the same with background color. If you want to adjust that to something slightly different, feel free to grab whatever you'd like using your color palette or entering a custom color. From there, we have shape, size, and motion. Selecting shape and size will adjust the spread of the seed here. That's what they're calling it. So you can see how that changes the art. Then we have linear, edge, and center. That changes the direction of it here. Pretty interesting stuff. After that, we have density, low and high. If you select low, all those options beneath it will go away, and you'll see that really pulls out from those shapes, so they're just kind of floating around. Selecting high density puts them closer together, and then clicking those three dots allows us to change the number of shapes, shape size, and shape variance if we really want them to be widely different. After that, you have the option to adjust the motion. You can select a preset for speed and then change the morph, wobble, and scroll movement, which will adjust how they're animated as someone interacts with the page. So the speed is 0.5, 1, or 2 times the speed, or clicking those three dots, you can manually adjust that. Morph and wobble will change quite a bit as well, and then scroll movement, totally up to you, super customizable. If you aren't sure what to start with, feel free to also select randomize, and Squarespace will create the animation for you, adjusting anything to do with the shape, size, and motion. Now, one last time how we got there, here in edit mode, I'm going to click this edit page section settings icon, navigate to background, and under the art tab, if I scroll down and click this option right here, that will open up the settings for the camouflage background art. Here I can change the shape color, selecting one from the palette, entering a custom color, same with background, and then manually adjust the motion, shape, and size of the objects inside this piece of background art. Again, if you don't even know where you want to start, feel free to select randomize and adjust from there. When you're all done, just make sure you select save on the very top left-hand side, and you'll be good to go. To learn more about background art in Squarespace, be sure to visit insidethesquare.co/background art.